This question is another one of the questions where you will need to use multiple conversions in one question. And so let's read it. It says, first of all, how many liters? So we know we're solving for liters. How many liters? And we are given that we have 3.56 times 10 to the third molecules of O2. So we've got two things going on here. We've got liters and molecules, which means we are going to use 1 mole equals 22.4 liters somewhere. And since molecules are particles, we know we're going to use 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, but in this case it'll be molecules somewhere. Okay, so you're looking at what you're given and what you have to go to, and therefore what conversion factors you're probably going to need to use. So we're starting with 3.56 molecules. 10 times 10 to the third. Let me just erase that a second. I gotta rewrite that whole thing. 3.56 times 10 to the third molecules of O2. And since we are given molecules, we know that molecules will be on the bottom of the next section. And I always write it out. Molecules of O2. And the number that we will use is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is equal to 1 mole of O2. We don't have a conversion that takes us directly from molecules to liters. Now, you might be able to skip over the 1 mole thing just naturally, but you need to keep it all straight, because what will happen eventually is we'll use different chemicals. So 1 mole of O2, and since moles of O2 are up there, moles of O2 will go down here. And we are converting to liters, so up here will be 22.4 liters of O2 is equal to 1 mole of O2. All right, so then we took care of molecules, we took care of moles, and we are solving for liters. And to do our calculation, 3.56 times 10 caret 3, end of parentheses, times 22.4, end of parentheses, equals, divided by, parentheses, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, end of parentheses, equals, I forgot the caret. So put that in your calculator while I also put it in my calculator, and let's see if you can come up with the right answer while I am calculating it as well. Caret 3 times 6.4 equals, divided by, parentheses, 6.02 times 10 caret 23, and parentheses, equals. All right, so when you do that, there you should come up with something like 132.456. Oh my gosh, I'm like not writing what I'm saying. 456 times 10 to the negative 21. Well, of course, that is a weird number, and the reason why is because I made it up, so it's just a random one. But it is what it is, and that's liters. And we were given 3 significant figures, so I don't like that, but 132 times 10 to the negative 21 liters, and that is our answer.